In this video, I'll show you how to add a floor in Revit. You can see we do not have a floor thickness here in our east elevation, so this would be the top of the floor line. So we need to add that floor thickness. So let's switch back to our level 1 view so that we can draw the floor line. So I would double click on level 1. Go to Architecture and Floor. Now Revit will automatically assume that you want to use the walls as the floor boundary. So you can go around and start to select that exterior wall. You're going to want to make sure that Extend into Wall to Core is selected. So you go around and select those exterior walls. Once you're done, you click Check. Now if we switch back to the east elevation, you can see that we have a wall thickness here of about 12 inches, which we just use the generic floor. There are other floor options that you can choose. Now if we go to Edit Type, we can click Edit and change the thickness of the floor if you want to. So you would just click in here and change that thickness. So I could change that to 2 feet and then hit OK and OK. And you can see that it's much thicker now. So I'm going to undo that. You can also draw a floor by sketching out a boundary line. So I'm going to switch back to level 1 and show you how to draw the porch using that boundary line tool. So again, we'll go to Architecture and Floor. Then we're going to click the boundary line tool right here. And then I can draw that porch rectangular shape. So it's 6'6". And then I'm going to come over here and it's automatically going to connect to the end of the building. And then I'll connect here. And then you absolutely have to close the boundary line because it's not going to recognize those walls as a boundary line. So then you would have to end the rectangle and then you hit the check mark. Now when I switch back to my east elevation, now you can see that the porch floor is there also. So that's how you add a floor in Revit.